Thinking about investing but unsure whether to go for stocks or bonds? Balanced advantage funds might be the solution that you're looking for. Balanced advantage funds are a combination of stocks and bonds. The great feature of these funds is that they automatically adjust their allocation between the two based on market conditions. Basically, it's between equity and fixed income. If the market is uncertain, they tend to invest more in bonds for safety. Conversely, when the market is strong, they shift towards stocks to seize potential growth opportunities. So, why should you consider it? Investing in a diversified portfolio offers both the growth potential of stocks and the stability of bonds. If you prefer to avoid significant market fluctuations but still want to see some growth, this approach is a solid choice. Additionally, if you are new to investing or simply don't have the time to closely monitor the market, this could be an ideal option for you. However, it's important to note that these funds may not be suitable for everyone. If you thrive on taking risks and prefer to invest heavily in high growth stocks, you might find these funds somewhat restrictive. Their objective is to provide stability, which means you won't experience the same significant increases that can come from more aggressive investments. So, if you want a balance of growth and safety, a balanced advantage fund could be a solid pick for your portfolio. Remember to always check that the fund strategy aligns with your financial goals before investing.